Hello everybody, got a video here on a Harbor Freight 21 gallon central pneumatic air compressor. I got this one gave to me. The guy had it, he couldn't figure out what was wrong with it because it kept losing air. It wouldn't hold air no matter how long he let it run. And I checked it out and come to find out on this switch here, he had the top broke off, but that's no big deal. I'm going to take and put a regular switch on it so I can turn it on and off. But under this switch here, you know, you got your switch here that once it builds up air, it'll kick off when it gets to 100 or 120 pounds or whatever the kickoff pressure was set to on it. But the pressure switch on it is actually leaking air from up underneath it here, and that is the issue why it's not holding air and won't build up. But also a lot of times on them, this here little line on the side here that runs over to the pressure switch will get a hole in it, or it'll pop out of that part, and that'll cause them to keep running and not build up air. So that's one little thing you can check out on the Harbor Freight air compressors. Other than that, I've had pretty good luck out of them. I've got one just like this, and I had the same problem with the switch on it, and I had to change it out. So don't forget to like my videos, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe, and have a great day everybody. Bye.